Hi guys, and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video tutorial I will show you how to pair your existing Bluetooth connection for your Peugeot 208. So if you disconnected your connection and you're having problems connecting Bluetooth again to your touchscreen display, then stay tuned and I will show you what to do. Okay, let's get started. As you can see on the touchscreen display, Bluetooth is active. So on your phone, I want you to go to Bluetooth. You will see your Peugeot 208 touchscreen Bluetooth name. So it will say touchscreen. Type 1111 4 times. Pair. Now head over to your touchscreen display. This will pop up. Enter Bluetooth code 1111. Confirm. Now it's reconnected. As you can see, EE. That's my mobile connection network. Let's try this out. I will make a call. But as you can see, for now, my name of my phone has appeared. So it's synchronizing now all the contacts from the phone to the display unit. Confirm. Now on your phone, it will say this, allow it. Allow contacts to be shared, basically. So I will exit now and type 2222. Let's test if it's working. Yep, it's working. I will check with the internal phone speakers to see if it will switch. Yes, it does. I will check on the touchscreen display. Yep, all good. Let's end this.
You can do this at any time by selecting Greetings from the voicemail main menu.
Right guys, I hope this video has helped you in any way. Please like and subscribe and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.